Hi Henry, how are you?
I'm really well, how are you?
Not bad, thank you.
Can I pick up some dry cleaning?
You can, let me go and get this for you.
I just want to tell people that Phil's been an amazing supporter of Love Henry. He's a really incredible neighbour, as well as the best dry cleaner in the world. And Phil and I, over the last few years, have I've made him some creams up and blends up for him and his family. So Phil, is there anything you'd like to say?
Well, let's just say I don't go anywhere without a little tub of Love Henry cream. See, it follows me everywhere. Yeah. So when you did that bespoke blend for me, it had a great effect on what the eczema I had on my elbows. I loved the feel and the texture of it. It had a really nice smell, and the anti-itching properties were particularly useful. So yes, so I tried everything the doctors had recommended, and as I said, I knew you were a herbalist, is that the right? Aromatherapist. And yeah, it seems to work for me. So yes, great. So I should be coming back for more supplies.
Thank you for sharing that.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. I'd just like to say that I made Phil up a cream that had a base of chickweed in it, which is anti-pruritic, which means anti-itching, calendula, which is incredible for any skin conditions and inflammatory conditions, and then some lavender essential oil, very healing, thyme linalool. So it was a particular bespoke cream for Phil. And it really, really has helped. So Phil uses it regularly. So thank you very much.
That's a pleasure.
Phil, bless you. And
that's
thanks
all right.
for my dry cleaning.
No problem at all.
We're with Ella, who is my friend Claire's daughter, who's a good friend of Phil's. And she came to me about her skin. She'd gone to the doctor, who hadn't really been able to help much with her spots. So Claire and Ella were really wanted to try some aromatherapy oils and maybe some herbal creams, also because they'd seen how much my bespoke cream for Phil had helped him. So I made Ella a cream up, and I think we then made a couple up, didn't we?
Yeah.
And then we adapted it because working with teenage spots, you know, one has to be quite careful, not use too strong oils and all of that. So in the end, we did a really nice mix with some comfrey cream and calendula cream, and then some lavender, thyme and chamomile essential oils. Can you tell me a little bit about why you liked your bespoke cream?
Well, I really like the consistency of the cream, and it smelled really good, and I could always wear it under my makeup.
Oh, that's fantastic. And it did actually help the
Yeah.
spots, didn't it?
Yeah.
I just really wanted to let you know that teenagers can use Love Henry products because sometimes people are concerned if they have oily skin with using oils on them, but they're a really, really good match and can really, really help.